Hello, this is Nick with Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 1 Hovey Pond Drive in North Grafton, Massachusetts, and this is a 3-bed, 1.5 bathroom apartment. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like when you come in through the front door here. So there's two ways to get in the apartment. One, you can go through the garage where you park your car, because there is an attached garage, and you can come upstairs to this level, or you can walk around to the front of the building, and that's how you get into the front here. So first thing you see is you're greeted by a big long hallway, very bright, lots of windows throughout the whole apartment, letting everything in. One thing I really love about this apartment that I can't say for all the apartments is just the color of the finishes in the apartment. You know, the way that everything goes together with the modern finishes, as well as some stuff that does have some character to it. It all looks pretty well when you see it all together. Like some of the carpets upstairs are a unique choice, kind of interesting, and so I'm really excited to get into all that today. This is the first floor level, so you see there's the vanity mirror. Everything's in great condition here. You know, the cabinets, granite style countertops with the tile flooring. You have some forced air vents for the heating that come up, and you can see that throughout the apartment as well. You got a bathroom fan in here as well, just for a little bit of ventilation. So really nice to see all that in the bathroom there. So then once you get through this way, you clear this front hallway and you go through, you'll see living room over that way, and then the kitchen is over here. So when you take a look at the kitchen, you get the full set of stainless steel appliances. There's the fridge, freezer, it's a 4-burner gas stove, as well as this dishwasher here. You have more granite style countertop over here, and these very nice white cabinets with the nice fresh paint on them. You got recessed lighting, plenty of recessed lighting throughout this whole kitchen, even more than a lot of other kitchens of the same size. So even at night it'd be very bright. Here's the dining room, so it's a little space for the dining room, big enough for the table over here. And then you move into the living room. So living room's got this very nice vinyl floors and pretty soft recessed lighting. Then you come through here, you can see kind of where the front is. So you got this over here. Parking spot is right over there as well. Nice little lawn. And this is the size of the living room too. So you have the forced air vents on the floor, nice hookups for the outlets, easily big enough for like a sectional size couch, plus a entertainment system, and a very long deck. It's a deck that hangs off of the apartment. It's just very big. You could have lots of space out there. And then coming back into the living room, you can kind of see the rest of the space over here. Big space for the dining room as well. We'll take a look at this at the end, but this goes downstairs. That goes downstairs to which level? That goes to the garage level. So if you went through that other entrance that I was talking about over there, that would come through that door. But first, let's take a look at this other closet. This is just a pantry. It's just an extra pantry. Even though you have all the cabinets over there with plenty of space, you get even more right here. Then you come up these stairs. This is where I start to mean about the color in this place. So this nice wood on the stairway and in the floors over here, paired with the white of the walls and the grays of the carpets and the vinyl floors on this level, and the kind of soft, muted blues over there, and then the greens from the trees and everything that come in through the apartment, and the kind of warm glow of the different lighting up here. Everything just kind of comes together on this level. Really, it's my favorite part of the apartment. And it all just looks really nice together. So we'll take a look at this bedroom. So it's a 3-bed, 1.5 bath. This is bedroom number 1. So as you can see, nice. All these carpets just got repainted. No, sorry, not repainted, recleaned. It's a full clean of all the carpets. And they just look really soft, really plush. Nice clean carpets, and you got the fresh paint all throughout the unit, and then it makes all the areas that are white look really nice. Really big bedroom, plenty of outlets in here. I'm seeing some for the Ethernet, as well as other just grounded outlets. So very big, easily big enough for like a queen size bed, desk. Even could have TV up in that room. Here's the bathroom. So this is an example of the full bathroom. Downstairs is the half bathroom. And this is the full bathroom. So the finish on this is very nice. It's in very nice condition, that shower. More granite style countertop, as well as the cabinets over there, vanity mirror, bathroom fan, and the toilet. So that's the bathroom right there. Get a little extra linen closet right next to the bathroom. This is bedroom number 2. You got the same carpet style as the first one. Nice kind of glowing pattern that comes down from the windows. Really nice choice on the windows there. The trim, the paint, everything's in good condition. There's a ceiling fan as well. You can see more ports for connectivity down there. And a really big closet, kind of big like the other closet over there. If you wanted some more storage space, you got this here. So extra closet, little extra thing at the top of the second floor. Then you got the same carpet style going up to the third, but the third isn't a carpet. It's actually a, looks like hardwoods. Actually, I'm not, I don't, no, they could be vinyl. I'm pretty sure. Oh no, they are vinyl. Yeah, so you got the wood style vinyl floors on this one up here. More forced air vents, so the forced air heating system still comes up. It's gonna get nice and toasty throughout the winter. This third floor level has a little closet area. So you got a closet in this space. And then you can see from back here kind of what that looks like. So plenty of space. It's the biggest of all the bedrooms. And you get a really nice view, especially now that we're in the fall and we can kind of see all the leaves kind of changing color and stuff. That's when you get like a really nice view from the window. It's got a ceiling fan in this room as well as a skylight. So when the sun's over on that side, that would just be, you know, direct sunlight into this room. But of course they have the provided blinds that make it so you can cover that if you want to. But if you like a lot of light, that's another thing that you can kind of look forward at. And coming back down, now let's take a look at the first level. Yeah, these stairs are just really nice, perfect kind of wood finish. So these are the stairs, and right now these grip sheds on the stairs are gonna get replaced. It's just the last thing as the contractor's finishing up all the work to get it rented. But those are the stairs, just gonna change out those grips. And you have a little bit of area for storage right here. It's at the bottom of the stairs, a little bit of unfinished basement, washer and dryer machines here, access to all the utility things right over there, and a garage. This stuff is gonna get picked up. It's not gonna be on the tenant's responsibility to pick it up. It's just here for the video as they're wrapping up the final touches on the apartment. And it does have the automatic door opener, some more access to some other utilities right there. And this door goes out to the parking lot. So this is a 1-car attached garage, big enough for one. And if you want to see a full list of all of our vacancies, you can go to nexuswor.com/vacancies. It's our for rent page. You can see the full list right there. If you want to set up an appointment, there's an area for you to contact the leasing agent today. And once again, this was Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester at 1 Hovey Pond Drive in North Grafton, Massachusetts.